Sheets Laundry Club has introduced a unique and innovative approach to doing laundry with their laundry detergent sheets. These sheets represent a departure from the traditional liquid or powder detergents, offering a more eco-friendly, space-saving, and convenient way to keep your clothes clean. Here's a comprehensive review of the product, and if you're interested in purchasing it, there's a link in the pinned comment below. The concept of detergent sheets is a game changer for many reasons. These pre-measured sheets are ultra-thin and compact, making them incredibly easy to store and transport. They are ideal for travelers, students, and anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. One of the standout features of Sheets Laundry Club's laundry detergent is its commitment to sustainability. The sheets are biodegradable, phosphate-free, and come in a recyclable package, reducing the environmental impact of your laundry routine. This is a significant plus for those who are environmentally conscious. Using the detergent sheets couldn't be simpler. Just drop a sheet in with your laundry, and it dissolves during the washing cycle. There's no need to measure, pour, or deal with messy spills, making it a convenient option for anyone, including those with limited mobility or dexterity. Despite their thin and lightweight nature, these detergent sheets do an excellent job of cleaning clothes effectively. They remove stains and odors, leaving your laundry fresh and clean. Users have reported satisfying results even with heavily soiled items. Sheets Laundry Club offers a variety of fragrance options, allowing you to choose a scent that suits your preferences. Whether you like a fresh, clean aroma or something more subtle, there's a fragrance choice for everyone. While detergent sheets may appear to be more expensive per load than traditional detergents, the convenience, space-saving design, and eco-friendly aspects make them a justifiable investment. The value they offer is further enhanced by their effectiveness in cleaning clothes. Sheets Laundry Club's laundry detergent sheets offer a practical and environmentally friendly approach to doing laundry. Their innovative design, eco-conscious packaging, and cleaning performance makes them a compelling choice for a wide range of users. These sheets are ideal for those seeking convenience, space-saving options, and sustainability in their laundry routine. While the cost per sheet might be slightly higher than traditional detergents, the ease of use and overall benefits they provide make them a worthy addition to your laundry supplies.